Hey there. Hello, baby. Hey there. Mm. Joy. Joy, check. Check it. Check it. Hey there, hey there. Hey there. Hey there, hey there. Ah. Oh, there. Header. Give header one. Give one to header. I give one to header. Give one to header. Oh, you take all. Give one. Okay, one. Ah. Header. I give you. Header. Header. That's one. No. Header here. Okay. Oh, this one. No. Header. Header, this one. I give header. You got a lot. Header, okay. Mm. Check it. Oh, the mommy take a fruit from. Ah, mommy not give to the baby.
Oh, he just fell down.
Hey there. This one. Okay, so that's one away. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. Take. Oh, you not give to the baby.
That's a mama, right?
Yeah.
What kind of fruit is that?
Oh, lettuce. Lettuce fruit. No. You got this. No, no, take this one. Take this one again. Hey there. Ah. Hey there, hey there. Hey there. No, 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 no. I give header, header, header.
You want to go then? Get closer? Right, there he's coming. The cranky guy. Oh, cranky guy.
This one is alpha, female. Yeah.
Give it right away. You're not even...
Hey there, I give you. Okay. It quick, your mom take it. Oh, Amari take it. Oh, Amari take it. Oh, Amari.
Where can you buy dog food?
Oh, I buy it on the way there, over there.
Oh, the front they
Yeah,
have?
the front is over there. And here's how many place for the monkey. And this one is one crop. And on the way to the Uncle Toy in one crop. And around the Uncle Toy is one crop. And every crop have the cellar. And the monkey like the lettuce and like corn, like other kind of food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Get closer. No, don't move.
Take your watch.
No, the sunglasses, you're not holding
You take your
sunglasses.
class, okay. That's one that loves your classes.
Stay there. No, look at the camera.
Now I find a flea for you.
Look at the camera. He wasn't gonna hurt you.
Okay, this is enough.
No.
Okay,
How can he move now? How can he move?
Okay, you just walk away and then see you go down. You walk away from the crop.
Walk, Jenna, walk.
Walk. You just walk. Okay. Okay, yeah. This one protect the baby.
Huh? Oh.
That's one has baby.
Oh.
Yeah. And this one is alpha female here.
I popped me.
Yes, alpha female like after the king or the.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's okay, he's the
Yes,
boss.
for the female.
Very protective.
Yeah, protective. When you touch the baby and she come to fight you.
Oh, you
Yeah.
have to be peace.
Yeah. You must be calm down with the small and other baby. That's one and okay, the tourists love to talk him. Yeah, that's one. The mommy is generous. And but for the Amari, his name is Amari.
Oh.
Yeah, she is protective. Her baby is Jack.
Oh, Jack.
Yes.
Oh, they all have a name.
You know, like us, the YouTuber, they like to give me the name of that, so I put it together.
Oh.
Yeah.
She's protected, this man.
Yeah. And other baby, you can just play with them, it's just okay. But this baby is the mommy, yeah, it's her baby.
She's a boss.
Mm.
She's the second boss?
So the big boss is a male, but he maybe sleep around here. It's not that one, it's bigger than that one. But he is generous boss as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's never fighting anyone.
Yeah. He's protected too.
Yeah. But this female is always fighting, but just only pat your leg and see him fights and have blood like that. But just pet him like that to make you not come to take the baby or not.
But they don't hurt you?
Never hurt.
No?
Yeah. If you know the monkey, about the monkey, it loves to scare us. You know, the monkey loves to scare us. If you pretend yourself, do nothing, not scare, not run away like that. So she not fight you. She just do like this.
Oh, she just lap you. Big
Yeah.
Aww.
Okay. I
Just
thought,
only the crop, but another crop is maybe can.
Be mean.
Yeah.
but they don't bite, no?
They don't buy. If you want to play with them, don't hurt the baby. I think everything is okay for you.
Okay.
Yeah. If you hurt the baby, it's not her. Other can be fighting you as well. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, they awesome.
Mm.
Okay.